Hello, my name is Jacob Stidham, and with this presentation, I'm going to show you guys a little bit of who I am and how excited I am for this new beginning. So, again, my name is Jacob Stidham. I'm a high school social studies teacher, and I'm very excited to get started with this new phase and to meet everybody and to have a new experience. So, a little bit about me. I'm a big sports fan, especially for the O's and Commanders. I love doing fantasy football. I love to also read and watch documentaries, especially historical based. I like golf. I like to walk, and I like to go to the gym after work during the week. Then I'm always adventurous and love trying new things. Some of the work I've done as a teacher. Again, I'm a high school social studies teacher in Montgomery County, Maryland. It's my 6th year teaching. I've taught all the core classes for social studies, so US, Modern World, and Gov. I've also, over the summer, kind of helped write curriculum with personal finance, and I also like to do an A-Push prep course as well during the summer. A little bit of the work I've done as a tech expert is in college. I did 4 years as in the tech lab, kind of working with Promethean boards and other tech used in classrooms. I'm on the tech committee for my school. I'm always helping out my colleagues, and I've done a lot of other stuff with the other classes in UMGC. Overall, that's a little bit about me. I'm excited for this new beginning and to meet you all and to really kind of get this new start and to see what's in store for us. So thank you for watching, and good luck with the new part, everybody.